We are going hiking today. I'm getting over a cold, so I kind of sound like crap right now, but I decided to get outside because it's probably good to get some fresh air in my lungs. I was gonna meet a group of women to go hiking here, but they ended up canceling, and I just figured, you know what? I'm just gonna go by myself. That's fine. So, here we go. Nice out here. It's a little cold, but not too bad. It's just so pretty. The colors almost look like fall. They're really golden with a red hue. They're really pretty. a great hike. I was feeling crummy going into the weekend, and I'm just glad that I chose to get outdoors. It's very easy sometimes just to say, nah, I want to stay cozy today. So I'm glad that I didn't listen to that voice and instead got outside, because this is just beautiful. I mean, surrounded by trees and snow. It's just wonderful. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. This was a great decision. I'm coming up on a lake right now. I'm not sure what lake it is, but it looks pretty cool. I already feel so much better. My face is frozen, but I already feel so much better, and I'm really glad that I came out. Such a great hike. It's so great because I love this time of year. End of February, spring is coming, and the birds are coming back. They're chirping. Oh, it's just so nice. I love waking up and hearing birds. It's one of my favorite things in the whole world. And they're just flying around, chirping away right now. It's so nice. I think in about 20 years, I'm going to be one of those women who are looking out the door or looking out the window and naming all of the birds in the neighborhood. I think that's going to be me. I already kind of do that, but I don't know what they're called. I just go, oh, look at this one. 20 years. I'm going to know them by heart. I'm going to know all the birds. And I'm just going to be sitting at my window for hours. I think that'll be me. Here is the map for today. We went, let's see, that's where we started. And we went on the Acorn Trail up and around Then we hopped on the Oak Trail, went up here, went across, and we came down, and then we actually went this way, all the way around, and then across the lake or marsh, water, whatever you want to call that. And then we went up to the lookout and looked over Sunny Lake, and then we walked past, and then we went, which way did we go? This way? Oh, I think we went this way. And now we're here. So now we're gonna come back up right there. That's where I parked. I'm feeling so much better. I'm feeling so energetic. Ugh. The sky. Beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Great hike. I will definitely be coming back here again. Very nice. I think I'm coming past a sledding hill right now. That's fun. Well, that was a blast. Originally, I was going to meet some other people for this hike, but at the last minute, it canceled. But that's fine. I was out here, and like I said, I was feeling kind of crummy this morning and yesterday, so I just wanted to get outside and kind of flesh it out. So that was a success. I will definitely be coming back here. It'll be exciting to see it in the summertime or the fall. There's just tons of trails here. I had no idea. So I will definitely be back here. It'll be nice to bring Bri and the little one here, I think. Paths weren't too crazy. I'm glad I had my little shark teeth. I don't know what they're called. These things. I'm glad I had these. Crampons. There we go. Duh. I'm glad I had these because there were a lot of parts of the trail that were slick. I mean, for the last week we've had, warmer weather. It would get up to 20s, 30s. It got up to 30s. So all the snow would melt. And then at nighttime or the next day, it would get, into freezing again or below freezing. And so everything would just harden, So there's a lot of slick spots out there. So I'm really glad that I brought these. I wore these the entire time. I did have my good boots on. These are my Crispies. And they have really good traction on them. Really good tread. But even with them, I was still kind of slipping a little bit. It's ice. You're walking on ice, so of course. So I'm glad that I had those crampons with me. It's about, what time is it? 2:30. So I was out there for about an hour and a half. Just moseying along. Wasn't really going too fast. No need. It was just so pretty out there. All the birds were chirping, and in the wintertime, it's just silent, which is great. But I really miss hearing all of the birds. And obviously they're nesting and they're flying somewhere else, trying to stay warm, right? But I really, really miss listening to all the birds. And so today, as I was walking along, all of a sudden I just kind of realized that there were so many birds around me and they were flying in the trees and making a whole bunch of noise, and just made me really, really happy. That's one of my favorite things about spring and summer, and the fall, just the birds. Like I said, I'm gonna be, in 20 years, I'm gonna be that person sitting in the window just like staring at birds. I feel like I already do that enough, but by then I'll have enough information to be dangerous. Be like, that's a red-breasted chickadee. I don't even know if that exists, but that'll be me. It's about a 35-minute drive home, and then I don't know, just hang out the rest of the day, maybe get some good food and try to just relax. Saturday, I've got Monday and Tuesday off, so this is kind of the beginning of my long weekend, which I really, really like. Looking forward to it for sure. So there you go.